Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Dogecoin. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest and urgent update of the Dogecoin. What's going on in the Dogecoin, guys? Let me show you, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more updates and news videos. So guys, in this video I'm talking about what's the future price of the Dogecoin, what's the price of the Dogecoin at the last of this month. So let me show you guys. Now the latest price of the Dogecoin in the market is 0.26887 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Dogecoin in the market. And on the other side, if we talk about the changes occur on the Dogecoin, so every time from the first August, every time I found Dogecoin positive. Dogecoin, Cardano, XRP, these three coins, every time I found positive from the 1st August. And still guys, the price of this coin is positive, and I believe that to the last of this month the price will continue like that. Anyways guys, so if the changes, you can see here absolutely a massive gains occur by a Dogecoin from August month. The last 1 week changes is positive 36% guys. That's really a big profit for all of you. So that's why I'm feeling good, because a lot of my viewers, a lot of my subscribers, those people who's holding Dogecoin are getting huge profit in the noise from cryptocurrencies market. So guys, I will show you how to make wealth with the cryptocurrencies market. Now guys, let me show you the price chart of the Dogecoin for more and better understanding. Absolutely guys, from you can see here from this time, from 6th August, the market chart, the Dogecoin price chart is completely changed. You can see that's really a massive jump occur by a Dogecoin in the 1st August. From 6th August, you can see 1st August, and now today is the 12th August, 11th August. So guys, now due to these changes, on the basis of this update, I really recommend for all of you to please hold to the last of this month. My friends, possibility is that at the last of month the price of the Dogecoin will be 0.50 cent. 50 cent will be the price of the Dogecoin at the last of August. That's my target for a Dogecoin. Anyways, what you think about Dogecoin, also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more news and updates.